Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the GhvyenntteS small fabric storage bins, a 6-pack solution designed to revolutionize your home or office organization with dimensions of 11.8 by 7.87 by 5.11 inches. These storage baskets boast a sturdy structure, featuring stiff cardboards inserted in the bottom and 4 sides, ensuring they maintain their shape and provide lasting durability. Crafted from high-quality cationic and polyester cotton fabric, these bins are not only odorless and long-lasting but also come with classic faux leather handles for a comfortable grip. Perfectly sized and stylish, they blend seamlessly with various furniture styles and color palettes, making them ideal for organizing clothes, shoes, towels, books, DVDs, and more. Their multi-purpose design allows them to fit effortlessly in any room, from the closet to the bathroom, offering a versatile storage solution for all your needs. Plus, when not in use, these foldable bins can be easily stored away by removing the stiff bottom cardboard, saving space and making transportation a breeze. So, if you're looking for a reliable and stylish way to declutter your space, these GhvyenntteS storage bins are a fantastic choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.